January birthdays, this one's for you. Your month has not one, but two birth flowers, each loaded with meaning and a little winter magic. First up, the carnation. Think of ruffled petals, a spicy clove-like scent, and color that lasts in a vase for weeks. It's been a favorite since ancient times, and its classic meaning, love, fascination, distinction. The color codes are where it gets fun. Light red says admiration, deep red, devotion. Pink often stands for gratitude and remembrance. White is all about pure love and good luck. Yellow, traditionally disappointment, so maybe save that one for the right occasion. In the garden, carnations, dianthus, like full sun, well-drained soil, and light feeding. Deadhead spent blooms and they'll keep rewarding you. Cutting the stems at an angle and changing vase water often will keep cut carnations fresh longer. Now, meet the snowdrop. Picture the first brave bells of white pushing through frost. Small, delicate, and determined. Snowdrops symbolize hope, rebirth, and the promise that brighter days are coming. They bloom when almost nothing else does, which is why they've charmed gardeners for centuries. Plant snowdrop bulbs, galanthus, in early fall, a few inches deep, pointy end up. They love partial shade and moist, well-drained soil, and they naturalize beautifully beneath trees. After flowering, let the leaves yellow and feed the bulbs for next year's show. Together, Carnation and Snowdrop are January's perfect duo, one bright and talkative, one quiet and brave. If you're gifting, mix pink and white carnations for a warm, hopeful message, and tuck in a sprig of faux snowdrops, or early real snowdrops if you can find them. For a January baby's desk or windowsill, a small bud vase with a single carnation says more than you think. So if you're celebrating this month, claim your symbols, love that lasts, and hope that returns. That's January in a bouquet. Happy birthday. And may your year arrive early, like a snowdrop, and linger long, like a carnation.